So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. If your Windows 11 PC started freezing, crashing, or running extrememely slow right after a recent update, you're not alone. Some users are reporting problems after installing the KB5079473, including random freezes, apps not responding, or the system becoming unstable. The good news is that in most cases, this is not a permanent problem and you can fix it without losing your files. Because in this video, I'll show you a safe step-by-step path to fix Windows freezing or crashing after the update. Then move to a safe rollback if needed, and finally run built-in repair tools to stabilize your system. Just follow the steps in order and you should be able to get your PC back to normal. Let's start by confirming the issue. Just open Settings, then go to Windows Update. Click Update History, then look for the KB5079473 update in the list. Now think about when the problem started. If your PC became slow, freezing, or unstable right after this update, it's very likely the cause. This step helps you avoid unnecessary fixes and focus on the real issue. Now, before doing anything advanced, let's restart your computer, which is a quick fix. Just click Start, Power, then Restart. Sometimes updates don't fully complete until after a proper restart. This simple step can fix temporary glitches or unfinished update processes. After restarting, just check if the system is stable. Now, if the system is still freezing, close stock apps and check Task Manager. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, or right-click on your taskbar then choose Task Manager. Look for apps using very high CPU, memory, or disk. If something is stuck or not responding, select it and click End Task. After some updates, certain apps can behave incorrectly and cause system slowdowns. This step helps isolate whether the issue is system-wide or caused by a specific app. Now, if that didn't fix your problem, let's boot once with minimal load, which is a clean restart. Just click on Start, then Power. Hold Shift, then click on Restart. This opens the recovery screen. Choose Continue to Windows after restart. The process clears temporary states and helps Windows start cleanly. If the system becomes stable after this, the issue may be temporary. Now, if problems continue, the safest next step is to uninstall KB5079473, which is a safe rollback. Just go to Settings, go to Windows Update, then Update History. Scroll down, then click on Uninstall Updates. Find the KB5079473 update, then select it and click Uninstall. Confirm and let Windows remove the update, and after that, just restart your PC. This rolls your system back to the previous stable state. Now, after uninstalling and don't want Windows to reinstall the same update automatically, let's pause updates temporarily. Just open Settings, then go to Windows Update again. Click Pause Updates and then pause update for at least 1 to 2 weeks. This gives Microsoft time to fix the issue before you install updates again. And that's how you safely fix Windows 11 crashes or freezes after the KB5079473 update. Start with quick fixes first and only roll back the update if the issue continues. If you're still having problems, leave a comment with what you're seeing, and I'll help you troubleshoot it. And for more Windows fixes and update repair guides, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.